off.
Hi, my name is Albert. Tonight we're cooking red snapper and making a special Hollandaise sauce for the fish. Hollandaise sauce, you can make it really quick if you use a hand blender. It's only going to take us about 1 to 2 minutes, and we're going to be making it in here. The recipe is going to be for regular Hollandaise sauce is 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of water, 1 teaspoon of lemon, 1 block of butter, and 1 pinch of salt. Tonight we're going to be adding white and black peppercorns, parsley flakes, 2 drops of white wine vinegar, and a pinch of garlic powder. Okay, so I'm going to start putting it all together. We're going to get the camera a little closer over here. We can check it all out. Now, I'm going to be talking to you while we're making this together. There's the fish. Now, this recipe is made for 2 people. We're going to add 1 egg yolk in here, like this. If you're gonna, this is for 2 people. If you're making it for 4 people, you just add 2 egg yolks. Okay, 1 teaspoon of water, and lemon. Here we go. Lemon, salt, that's it, that's all we need, and that's all we need to get it started. So the butter is in our pot, is heating up. Now you want the butter to be just boiling like this, not boiling to where it's gonna burn, but just to where it's just starting to boil, and that is going to allow it to be able to blend. So we're going to take our butter, pour it into this mixing pot here. All my ingredients are here. Now, while that is heating up, we're going to add our peppercorns. Got that in there. Pinch of garlic powder. Got that in there. Some pepper flakes. Parsley flakes. A little bit more parsley flakes in there. There we go. 2 drops. White wine vinegar. We're going to start pouring it in and blending it all up. Here we go. We got to pour the butter in slow. Let it start blending. Keep on pouring real slow. It's starting to blend now. Put it in slowly, a little at a time. Let it all blend in. And the reason the butter has to be hot, because it's the only way the fat will mix with the water. It breaks down and makes this emulsion. Just keep on stirring, do a little at a time. There it all goes. Now we have all our butter in there. And it's about made now. And that is it. We're going to give it a test, and we're going to put it on the fish. Alright, there it is. Let's give it a little quick test. That's good. All right. All right, we got the fish cooked, and here's got our Hollandaise sauce all made, and here's our Hollandaise sauce all made. We're gonna drape it over our red snapper. We're gonna put a little on the side right here, and we're gonna give it a try. Yes, sirree. Very good, very good. Gotta try this.